We have the newspaper of 7th May 2025. I'll start with the first news, that is state to conduct civil drill today. Trade pact give India zero duty access to the UK. Ex-Minister Reddy, 3 other jailed in mining case. India climbs 3 spots to 130 among 190 nations in Human Development Index, but inequality continued to be a burden. Punjab's denotifications of SYL Canal land an act of high-headedness, say Supreme Court. A constitutional bench had in 2016 set aside the Punjab Terminations of Agreement Act 2004, which unilaterally terminated the 1981 water sharing pact between Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. In its maiden sitting outside Mumbai, State Cabinet honored Ahilyabai Wo Dhangraj. SC warned contempt actions if NCR states fail to implement complete ban on firecracker. Nainital SSP asked to supervise the probe into minor girl rape. Calcutta High Court stay demolitions of rooftop eateries. Incinerations of Union Carbide waste begin at Pitampura plant. Kerala Center at odd in Supreme Court over withdrawal of petitions. Supreme Court home attack at caste classes erupt at Tamil Temple Festival in Tamil Nadu. Young swimmer practicing in summer camp at pool located in guest house from MP Gograj Ganga Raju at Udavali in Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. Kerala tourists gain spotlights through Apple TV car and Country Quest. Center plan revision of Safe Harbors clause. 1 March kill in Bastar region as major anti-national operation enter 17th day. Congress chief urged PM to consult all political parties on caste census. Population-wise delimitation is fair. Southern state stand it's wrong. In a push transparency, SC published assets of 21 judges. SC detailed 221 names approval for Supreme High Court under last 2 Chief Justice of India. Security Council meeting ends without statement, nation seeks de-escalations. CRPF seek explanations from its first responders. Commandant Rajesh Kumar with a team of 22 people had rushed to the scene of massacre. Eyewitness and survivor say security personnel reached the scene after more than an hour. Post-terror hit, Gulmarg gondolas face heavy wind. BJP slam Kharge remark on PM's cancels JK trip. PM speak to Amir of Qatar as India steps up outrage. Tamir bin Hamid Al Tahani expressed full support to India's fight against terrorists and all actions to bring perpetrators of Pahalgam attack to justice. New Delhi reject OIG statement as absurd. Early monsoons rain over Nicobar Island by May 13. Gaganyaan manned mission likely in first quarter of 2027, ISRO chief. 10 CR pages of history document digitized. Farmer protests UK trade deal saying it's set to agriculture and MSME. Birds that thrive in urban space sports color different from less successful one. Editorial: the fragmentations in the global fight against terror. Gone are the days of a united fight against the zero tolerance to a terror. A different yardstick apply when it's come to India, which is a victim of state-sponsored terrorism. Reading the Maple Leaf after Canadian result, the election boiled down to who was going to protect Canadians from the madmen south of the border. Hell on earth, the world should restrain Israel from occupying Gaza. persuasion strategy. Pakistan must hand over designated terrorists to India. Power and pitfall of digital influence. Brand must invest in consumers' education while regulators and platforms should enforce strict guidelines against misinformation. KSEB Heidel push style fresh concern. Food versus fuel. Surge in ethanol blending and its impact. Will the increase diverse of sugar for ethanol blending reduces availability for direct consumptions. How the judiciary maintain accountability. All judicial power have been vested in constitution and judges are bound to work within the constitution's ambit. Once any of them go beyond it, they may be removed on ground of proved misbehavior which would include violation of constitution. What are the challenges faced by the civil services? The merit system entail appointment to the government post after a rigorous selection process by an independent authority. But the civil service also suffer from significant challenges. First, neutrality as a trait is fast eroding among bureaucrats, resulting in political bias in discharge of critical function. Next is in a democracy, the mandate is with the elected government and it need to be respected. However, the neutral bureaucracy need to be insulted from undue political interference to uphold the rule of law and constitutional value. Flexibility and realism are the hallmark of Vietnamese communist. India industry upbeat as India UK in FTA. Sectors that are set to benefit include textile and apparel, leather and footwear, gems and jewelry, pharma, agriculture. Deal is expected to create layer opportunity for Indian firm, significantly boost bilateral trade and attract key investment. India-UK Free Trade Agreement is not just a trade pact; it is a bridge to shared prosperity. Harsh Vardhan Agarwal, President of FICCI. Suminto Mutsi likely to be acquired 51 stake in Yes Bank. Bank of Baroda Q4 net profit rise to 3% to 5,048 crore. India's service sector grow improve marginally in April. India Airlines see 7,000 crore loss as Pak shut airspace. As Trump tariffs sink in, Canadian firm pivot for US to new market. Coal prices plunge in Asia as China import ebb. Asian crisis in reverse. Currencies source on the dollar. Judge over Trump government to admit 12,000 refugees into US. Gaza will entirely destroy, says Israeli Minister Smotrich. Moscow. Putin tell Iranian President Russia wants a fair US-Iran nuclear deal. Port Sudan come under attack from paramilitary for third day. Merz win second vote to become German Chancellor. Israeli strike fully disable Yemen key airport in Sanaa. Canadian never for sale, say Carney as Trump proposed marriage with US. Bangladesh ex-PM Khalida Zia returned home from the UK. Make no sense. Hollywood shocked by Trump's film tariff announcement. America aid cut push health sector in Bangladesh to edge. Israeli plan to seize Gaza, expand military operation is met with alarm. GTS top the MI juggernaut, shoot to the top of the table. China Yahoo script history at credible theatre. Badoni a super giant in Lucknow, middle order. That's from my side. Giant friend. See you soon.